Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, LaVine, Goran Dragi, Mayo, Kevin Martin, Arron Afflalo, Iguodala, Devin Booker, Tyreke Evans, Vince Carter, Terry, Belinelli, Wesley Matthews, Eric Gordon, Smith, Jamal Crawford, Monta Ellis, Green, Redick, Korver, Ray Allen, Manu Ginbili, Klay Thompson, Bryant, Dwyane Wade, James Harden.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.